Walt Disney World has everything you can dream of that is related to Disney. It is truly massive, making this the best Disney vacation holiday for the family. It is situated in Bay Lake and Lake Buena Vista, Florida, United States, near the cities of Orlando. The total cost of the project by its October 1971 opening was $400 million. Mickey Mouse escorted the first visitor into the Magic Kingdom, and numerous celebrities from Bob Hope to Julie Andrews took part in the opening ceremonies. In Walt Disney World first 2 years, the attraction drew 20 million visitors and employed 13,000 people. The property covers nearly 40 square miles, featuring 4 theme parks: Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney Hollywood Studios, and Disney Animal Kingdom, with 2 water adventure parks, Disney Blizzard Beach and Disney Typhoon Lagoon. Hotels, restaurants, shopping complex, golf course, and other entertainment venues are available here. Walt Disney World's first of 4 theme park here in Orlando, Florida. If you only have time for one Disney park, this is the one must choose. It has the iconic Cinderella's castle with all the Disney classic characters like Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Donald and Daisy Duck, Pluto, Goofy, and more. The park is full of great attractions like Splash Mountain, Pirates of the Caribbean, Big Thunder Mountain, Peter Pan's Flight, and so many more. It has so many restaurants, shops, and numerous entertainment options like stage show, nighttime spectaculars. In 2019, the park hosted 20.9 million visitors, making it the most visited theme park in the world for the 13th consecutive year, and the most visited theme park in North America for at least the past 19 years. Epcot, the experimental prototype community of tomorrow, opened on October 1, 1982. It was conceived by Walt Disney to take its cue from the new ideas and new technologies that are now emerging from the creative centers of American industry. Epcot is now unifilled with 4 neighborhoods that each speak to important aspects of the world and its peoples: World Showcase, World Celebration, World Nature, and World Discovery. These neighborhoods are filled with new experience rooted in authenticity and innovation that take guests to new destinations, where the real is made fantastic in a celebration of curiosity, discovery, and the magic of possibility. In the very front of the park is the iconic Spaceship Earth, located inside the iconic golf ball. Spaceship Earth is slow-moving attraction that tell the history of communication and where communication may be headed in the future. Disney's Hollywood Studio is split into 6 main areas, each dedicated to a different Disney-related theme featuring rides, attractions, shows, shops, and restaurants. These areas are Hollywood Boulevard, Eco Lake, Grand Avenue, Animation Courtyard, Toy Story Land, and Sunset Boulevard. Disney Animal Kingdom theme park is one of the largest animal parks in the world, with real-life animals and exciting rides and experience to choose from, where you can see Disney's animal character come to life, and with African elephants, gorillas, and lions all found here. There is also a wide selection of interactive attractions including animal encounters, safaris, and fun jungle trek